question 9. So we're going to have to use the fact that we've learnt that sin squared x plus cos squared x equals 1, or in other words, rearranging cos squared x equals 1 minus sin squared x. So if you just substitute that in, so I'm substituting this in to the numerator here, and rearrange, we're left with sin squared x over cos squared x, and using the fact that sin x over cos x is tan x, we can say that therefore that equals tan squared x, which is what we had to show. Hence solve this equation here. Now always where it's the hence, make sure you use your previous part of your answer. So our left hand side here is the same as our left hand side up here. So let's solve tan squared x equaling 3 minus 2 tan x. Now straight away this sort of looks a bit like a quadratic equation. So let's make it all equal to 0. So I've taken away 3 and added 2 tan x to both sides. And really just to make clarity of thought, I think, and to make all your workings a bit tidier, I've chosen to use a substitution. Let's let y equal tan x. So this is 2 log of y. Remember, tan squared x is just another way of saying tan x all squared, so y squared. So we've got y squared plus 2y minus 3 equaling 0. That does factorize, giving us y values of minus 3 and 1. So tan x equaling minus 3 and 1. Popping these into our calculator, so do x equals inverse tan minus 3 and an inverse tan 1. We get the calculator gives us the values 45 degrees minus 71.6. Remember, the calculator always gives you the acute angles. So this one's fine. 45 degrees is within our range, but this one isn't. This is outside our range. We need to find the values between 0 and 180. Now we're looking here where tan x is negative. Alright, tan x is negative. Now using our all silver toy cars little diagram, tan is negative in this quadrant and also this quadrant here, the second quadrant. Okay, remember, all silver toy cars tells us when everything is positive, so we're looking at the opposite. Tan is negative here and here. Now minus 71.6 is what we've worked out in our calculator. We want this angle up here. And remember, it's the angles measured from the x-axis which are the same. So the angle that we want is 180 degrees less 71.6 degrees, which is 108.4 degrees.